Hey, it's Jules from Life's Art, and today we'll be doing a DIY Christmas ornament using Mod Podge and Sharpie. I'll be using a Christmas book that I got from the Arc thrift store a while back, and some of these pre-cut wood ornaments that I had from a craft I did last year. This is a super fun and easy project you can do with your friends or your kids, your family. I'm using this beautiful Christmas book, but you can use magazines or photographs, any type of illustrations that you want. Simply take your shape, outline the images that you want on the ornament with a Sharpie, and then we will cut them out. Make sure to cut just inside of your lines so that the shape is smaller than the ornament. Now we use the Mod Podge. It's such a great product. It goes on clear and you don't even see it. It adheres your image to the wood perfectly. So first we put a little bit on the wood ornament, then a little bit on the back side of your picture. Put those together, and then the third final coat goes on top of all of those. And last, we will decorate. So now I have a paint pen. You can use a Sharpie. You can use actual acrylic paint. Anything that you have around the house. We're going to just add a little bit of sparkle and shine. Here I have a gold paint pen that I'm putting around the edges and at the top. Now I'm going to use some glue to add some glitter. Nothing says Christmas more than glitter, and this will allow it to shine brightly on the tree. You can use your glitter in several different ways. You can outline the shape, put little stars and dots on the shape. You can draw pictures with the glue or put it around the actual outside of the shape as well. So pretty, so cute. Oh. I've painted the other side of this one, and now I'm going to draw a snowflake with glue. I'll set that aside and let the glitter set and put some dots around this one. So cute. After it all dries, we see the glitter reveal. Oh, it looks so nice. There's a 23 for the year 2023. And here they are on the tree. They look so nice. Thanks for joining me today here in Idledale, Colorado. I hope you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a day of my art tips and tricks, so you can become a better artist and have a fun time doing it. Thanks again for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again. Merry Christmas! Thanks for always liking my posts.